If you have issues with the internet on Samsung Galaxy A17, the first thing that you can do is go to settings. Now over here in settings, we can start by going all the way down to general management, and then over here proceed to reset. And you should be able to find two main options that are relevant, and depending what you actually use in order to access the internet. So if you use mobile data, then you want to go to reset mobile network settings, and you might need to reset these settings to fix some of the issues. And on the other hand, if you use Wi-Fi, then we can choose reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now keep in mind that unfortunately we cannot separate these two things, and this option will erase all Wi-Fi networks and all your Bluetooth devices that have been connected to the phone. So you will have to not only reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, but also to your Bluetooth devices. And then once you are ready, of course, press reset settings. So afterwards, we can go back to all the way to the top in settings, and we're gonna go to connections. Of course, you want to double check if the airplane mode is not enabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident, and we are not even aware of that, so just make sure that it is disabled. In the case of Wi-Fi, if we go to these settings, you can just forget the network. Over here at the bottom, we can forget once we go to the details. And you can try to reconnect to your network. You can also tap on these three dots in the top right corner. And if you go to intelligent Wi-Fi, over here we have switch to better Wi-Fi networks, which can also be sometimes an issue or the reason why you have issues with the internet. So you might want to turn this option off over here. And there is also switch to mobile data, which you also might want to turn off if you actually have SIM, of course, on your phone. So besides that, we also have the auto reconnect option, which I forgot actually, over here in the settings of the Wi-Fi network. So you might want to make sure that it is enabled if you, for example, get disconnected and you don't get reconnected after a short while. And I believe this is actually everything in Wi-Fi settings. In case you cannot find the Wi-Fi network on the list, then you can go to these advanced settings, and we have manage networks, so you should be able to find all your networks, and you can simply delete a network over here. Now, besides that, of course, we have the mobile data, which unfortunately I cannot really show you over here because I don't have the SIM card. But essentially you want to make sure that the mobile data is enabled. If you have two SIM cards, make sure that the correct SIM card is selected over here if you have this preferred SIM section, and you might want to disable data switching if that's relevant. And also if you go to the SIM card over here to these details, you should be able to find preferred network. So for example, if you disabled 5G network, you might want to turn it back on just for now in order to see if it makes any difference. And that is pretty much everything you can do on your Galaxy A17 in order to try to solve your issues. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.